Number 1, to believe in something for a really long time, just to find out after all it was not real. To believe you know how to do something very well. To believe that somebody loves you exclusively, be it a romantic relationship or friendship. To think that you can always restart. To believe somebody only wanted to help. You pick. Or add more if you prefer. It starts right there. Illusion. Number 2, to see something happen right in front of you and not be able to change it or help. Family situations, crazy things that happen without explanation, almost supernatural phenomena. Cases in which, for more you offer solutions, always there's a counterattack. And sometimes from the very own person to be helped. But this is another point. Injustice. Number 3, to get angry at anything, waste time with fruitless wars. It didn't do it right. It doesn't matter. It's not like that. No, it's not right. I am right. Die from anger towards somebody. Sometimes without even knowing why. Leaving being hurt by the truculence of whom you expect understanding. Both the shooter and the target lose in this story. Madness. Number 4, to look ahead and see no perspective. Planning over dreams and wake up without reality. Write objectives in the beach sand. Spend all day without knowing what's going to be tomorrow. Expecting life to get better without doing anything about it, or without helping luck. Being afraid to death about the telephone bill. Living, surviving. Uncertainty. Number 5, to show that you care and receive a cold look. Care for and not receiving affection. Trying to please and not being noticed. Studying your ass off and dedicate to your work and not being recognized, or simply not exist for the market. Indifference.